Hello everyone, how are you today? Alright, I hope everyone is fine. So, welcome back to our English class again. So, are you ready everyone? Okay, good. So, I hope you are ready. So, today I want to continue our lesson that talking about Unit 4, farm animals, alright? Farm animals. And today I am going to finish our conversation, okay? So today we are going to study about conversation, alright? Do you like to have a conversation? Okay, I hope you like. So before going to our conversation, I want you to know the objectives of our lesson today, our conversation today, alright? So these are the objectives that I want you to do after you finish watch this video. Objective number 1, students can read and understand the conversation. Number 2, copy the lesson into exercise book A. Number 3, do homework into exercise book B. And number 4, read the conversation and send to the teacher, alright? So these are the objectives that I want you to do, and I hope you can do it, okay? So please read it in Khmer if you don't understand in English. So before going to our conversation, I want to introduce some new word for you. So let's see the word. Okay, collect, collect, again, collect, again, collect. Very good. How do you spell collect? C-O-L-L-E-C-T. Collect. Again, collect. Again, collect. Very good. So what does collect mean? See the word in Khmer? Yeah. How to read? Very good. Promo, right? And another one, plow. Again, plow. Again, plow. Very good. So how do you spell plow? P-L-O-U-G-H. Plow. Again, plow. Again, plow. Very good. So what does plow mean? Yeah, see the word in Khmer? Pure day, yeah. Pure day, pure strai. Okay? So now let's go to our conversation. So our conversation is, we continue from the last video, okay? So now I read it for you. What is the farmer doing? He is collecting the eggs. What is another farmer doing? He is plowing his field. We are happy with the farm. Now let's go back to school. Okay? So it is a short one, so I hope you can read it, okay? So I read it for you again. What is the farmer doing? He is collecting the eggs. What is another farmer doing? He is plowing his field. We are happy with the farm. Now let's go back to school. Okay? So I hope you can read it because it is a short one and it is easy to read also. Okay? So now I read it for you one more time and then you read it and send it to me. Okay? So 1, 2, 3. What is the farmer doing? He is collecting the eggs. What is another farmer doing? He is plowing his field. We are happy with the farm. Now let's go back to school. Alright? So I hope you can read and understand about the reading. And now let's go to our homework. So homework, please read the conversation and and answer the question. So I want you to read it again and answer this question. Alright? So let's see the question. Number 1, what is the farmer doing? And number 2, what is another farmer doing? So I hope you can answer it because it is an easy one. Okay? So now I want to explain you in Khmer a little bit how to answer and how to do your homework and what you have to do. Okay? អញ្ចឹងចំពោះ homework សម្រាប់ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងគឺឈើឲ្យយើងឆ្លើយនៅសំណួរ2សំណួរហ្នឹងហើយបន្តមកទៀតគឺយើងត្រូវថតជាវីដេអូផ្ញើមកឲ្យឈើនៅការសន្ទនាហ្នឹងអូខេអញ្ចឹងឈើឃើញមានគ្នាយើងផ្ញើមកច្រើនអូខេអញ្ចឹងឈើសង្ឃឹមថាយើងបានផ្ញើមកទាំងអស់គ្នាអូខេSo that's all about today's video and I hope you enjoy and you can do your homework very well. So thank you for your attention and thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.